Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again, General Technology Knowledge. Today I would like to show and share about software SIMATIC Manager version 5.6 connect to PLC S7-300 for control the program and the communication. Okay. So in the previous video, we already learned about how to communication between software TIA version 15.1 to the PLC S7-300. Okay. So today we will continue for the how to communication between software SIMATIC Manager version 5.6 to PLC S7-300. Okay. So in here I will choose the adapter USB A2 also the same as the TIA, yes, that we already learned in the previous video. And here is the I/O, yes, that we focus on DI, DO, AI, and AO. So we will continue, yes. So we must create the hardware configuration from our software and then download to the hardware. Okay. So let's go to our software, SIMATIC Manager, yes. Okay, here is the software SIMATIC Manager that I already installed in my PC, yes. So let's open it. Okay, and create a new project. Before create the new project, let's go to create a new folder. Example S7 PLC S7-300 VR Simatic. Okay, so create a new project. Example training, like this, and browse to find the folder that we already created. Yes, here is the folder that we already created. Yes, click OK and then choose OK. And first we must check the communication between our PC to the PLC. So right now I will insert the USB cable that connected from PLC to my PC. Okay. Okay, connect. And make sure the driver is already installed, yes, in the computer. So let's go to check by go to manage, go to device managers, yeah, and click the SIMATIC net. And here is the USB adapter driver that I already installed in my PC. Yes. To check communication between our computer to the PLC, okay or not, let's go to option and then set PG PC interface and choose there, yes, choose USB adapter A1, sorry, A2 and auto, yes, choose here and then property and then let detach, yes. Okay, right now it found, yes, MPI adapter, this is a baud rate, yes, transmission rate, and this is address, yes. So if it show like this, it means that we can communication between our PC to the PLC via MPI adapter. Okay, so let's click OK and click OK again. So right now we must create the hardware configuration, yes, before download to the PLC from the SIMATIC Manager. Okay, so right click in the project and then insert the new object and then choose the SIMATIC 300 station, yes, because right now we use SIMATIC 300 PLC, yes. Okay, and then click double click the SIMATIC 300 and double click on the hardware, yes. So first let create the rail or backplane, yes, we can say rail or backplane. Let's go to SIMATIC 300 and then go to rack 300, yes, and click drag and drop the rail from right side to left side, yes. Okay, so normally we must create the power supply for the CPU, right, that it will convert from 220 to 24 voltage DC to support the CPU. Okay, so let's go to the PS. It means that power supply. Example, I choose this one, PS 10M. Yes, it means that 10 ampere. Yes, and go to the input and output, right, for I/O. But we must create the CPU first. For CPU, this is a serial number of the CPU and this is a CPU name 3512DP, right? So go to the CPU and then go to the 315, yes, and then go to the serial number, yes. We must create the serial number to be the same, otherwise we cannot download to the hardware, yes. So 3152AH14, okay, 3152AH, yes, 2AH14 version 3.3, and then drag and drop to the real, yes, and then click OK. Yes, in the next step we must create the DI, right? So this is a serial number of DI 3211BH02, yes. So let's go to the SM300 and then go to DI and choose, yeah, find the serial number to match with this one. So 3211BH02, okay, 1BH02, yes, this one. You see here is the serial number, so we must choose to match with the hardware, yes, our hardware. So this one, drag and drop to the rail. The next step, we must create the digital output, right? So 3221HH01, okay. So let's go to DO, yes, 1 HH, right, BH 0 0 0, okay, 0 1, this is a 0 0, yes, this is a 0 1. So drag and drop to the real, and for slot number 6 is the same, right, here. So just drag and drop one more, because digital output we have 2 cards. Yes. In the next step, let's go to the AI. So 3317KF, yes, 02. Go to tab AI. Yes, AI. So 3117KF02, 3117KF 02, right, or 01, 7KF02, 7KF02. Okay, this one you see 7KF02. Okay, drag and drop to the real again. And the next, create the last card, yes, for analog output. So 58F00. Okay, so let's go to tab AO, yes, and then find 58F00. Okay, so this one you see 58F00. Drag and drop to real again, and then save our project. Yes. So right now here is the address. It will generate automatically for the digital input. It will start from I 0.0 and earn I 1.7. Yes, it is 8 bits, totally 16 bits. And for digital output, it will start from Q4.0 until 9.7. It is 2 cards. This is analog input, yes, and here is the analog output address. Okay, right now let's go to save our program and then download hardware configuration to the CPU by click this button, yes, and then select all and then click OK. Okay, so here we click views for make sure that we can communication between our computer to the CPU. Okay, so right now we must download. Okay, and then click OK. So when we confirm click OK, the CPU will stop. Okay, because we just download the hardware configuration. So click download. Okay, you see the CPU is stopped right now. Yes, and I will run again because we already download. Okay, the CPU is restart. Yes, and then run. So we must create one program, sample program for test to make sure the hardware configuration is okay or not. Okay, so let's close here. Yes, and then go to our block, right? And then go to the OB1 and choose the ladder or structure text or function block that you want. For me, I choose the ladder because it's very easy to create the sample program. And this is a block name, block comment. Yes, you can comment anything. Yes, just click OK. Okay, so right now I will create sample program for test. Example, stop, yes, start, yes, and then coil. And this one I would like to hold the signal, yes, here, and I will create one more for output, yeah, and one more for output. Example file output, I will turn on file output one time. So let's click output, yes, 3, yes, just 3, one more. Okay, so let's go to the hardware configuration, yes, because we must create to be on the output after I press the switch, yes. So output, it will start from 4.5, sorry, 4.0. So let's go to this one example, 0.0, yes, something. This one 0.1, yes, the same RTIA that we already create. And this one example Q 0.0, yes, and this one Q 0.0 also, Q 0.1, Q 0.2, Q 0.3, and Q0, so 1.7, the last one, yes, of this card. So save our program and then download to the CPU. This one no need to stop CPU because we don't download hardware configuration, yes. So let's online. Okay, right now we can online, and right now the CPU is running, yes, and I will turn on the button, yes, for test the output. So when I turn on M0, so normally we can do like this. Go to the PLC data monitor, yes, can say we can write M0.1, yes, and then online, and then write this one to 1, and then click this one, yes. You see the button is on, yes, and this one should be start from 4, right? Because this one 4.0, yes. So I will change this one to 4, 4.0, 4.1, 4.2, yes, 4.3, and 4.7. Okay, so let's save and then download again, and online again, yes. Right now you see the CPU is running and the digital output is turned on also. Okay, so it means that we can communication and test with our software with the hardware. Okay, if we want to create one more, we just choose this and then go to the output more Q5.7, right, the last card, and then save our project and download again, and online you see the last points of digital output is turned on. Okay, so this is a concept how to configure the software SIMATIC Manager version 5.6 to PLC S7-300. Okay, so if everyone have any question, please drop comment under my video. I will reply soon. Okay, so please support me by please like, share, and subscribe my channel also to get more notification and more new videos that I will create step by step. Okay, so thank you very much again and see you next videos. Bye bye.